Compact yet powerful, the best mini robot vacuums are built for small homes and tight spaces, easily navigating under furniture. Top contenders like the SwitchBot K11 Plus, ECOVACS DEEBOT Mini, and iRobot Roomba Mini offer features like self-emptying docks and mopping. Your ideal pick depends on whether you prioritize suction, mopping, or the smallest footprint. Starting at number 1. SwitchBot Mini Robot Vacuum K10 Plus. The SwitchBot Mini Robot Vacuum K10 Plus redefines compact cleaning. It's 50% smaller than traditional robots to reach every tight corner, yet packs a powerful 2,500 pascals suction and a 4L self-emptying base that keeps your hands clean for up to 70 days, all while operating whisper quiet at just 48 dB. Combining mopping, LiDAR navigation, and custom app controls with Alexa and Google Assistant compatibility, this intelligent little cleaner offers a smarter, more convenient way to keep your home spotless without the bulk or the noise. Number 2. Shark AI Self-Empty XL AV2501AE. The Shark AV2501AE AI robot vacuum delivers powerful, hassle-free cleaning with a bagless self-emptying base that holds up to 60 days of debris, backed by true HEPA filtration that captures 99.97% of allergens. Its strong suction and self-cleaning brush roll tackle pet hair with 50% more pickup and zero tangles, while LiDAR navigation creates precise home maps and avoids objects day or night. With Ultra Clean mode for deeper carpet cleaning and apps/Alexa control for targeted zones, this renewed powerhouse offers premium performance at a smarter value, perfect for pet owners who want a low-maintenance, high-performance cleaning companion. Number 3. iRobot Roomba J7 Plus Robot Vacuum. The iRobot Roomba J7 Plus redefines smart cleaning with precision vision navigation that identifies and avoids objects like shoes, socks, cords, and even pet waste in real time, backed by iRobot's POOP guarantee for peace of mind. Its self-emptying base with enclosed bags holds up to 60 days of debris, while the 3-stage cleaning system delivers 10x the suction power of the 600 series, with dual rubber brushes that flex to handle carpets and hard floors alike. With Imprint Smart Mapping, you can schedule room-by-room cleaning, store multiple floor plans, and even set the robot to clean automatically when you leave home, all controlled via the iRobot Home app or voice commands with Alexa and Google Assistant, making the J7 Plus the most thoughtful and hassle-free cleaning companion for any busy household. Number 4. ECOVACS DEEBOT X11S Robot Vacuum. The ECOVACS DEEBOT X11S Omnicyclone delivers industry-leading 30,000 pascals suction paired with a bagless Omnicyclone station that reduces long-term costs while ensuring effortless maintenance. Its innovative OZMO roller mop applies constant pressure and continuously refreshes with clean water to tackle dried stains and footprints, while TrueEdge 3.0 extends the mop to reach baseboards and corners for precise edge cleaning. Zero-tangle technology prevents hair wrap from pets, and the triple lift system automatically raises the mop on carpets to avoid wet messes. With AI-powered navigation that intelligently avoids obstacles, Power Boost fast charging for large homes, and the built-in YIKO voice assistant for hands-free control, the X11S also automates the entire cleaning cycle, emptying dust, dispensing solution, and washing and drying mops with hot water, making it the ultimate all-in-one solution for deep, hassle-free cleaning across any hard floor surface. Number 5. Rollibot BL100 Mini Robot Vacuum Cleaner. The Rollibot BL100 is a straightforward entry-level robot vacuum designed for simplicity and effectiveness on hard surfaces like marble and tile. It features dual side brushes and strong suction to capture dust and debris, with a HEPA filter that traps allergens for cleaner air output. Operating for up to 100 minutes on a single charge, it automatically returns to its docking station when battery runs low, ensuring it's always ready for the next cleaning cycle. Controlled via an included remote with multiple cleaning modes, this compact black unit offers basic, reliable performance for smaller spaces or first-time robot vacuum users. Though it lacks advanced features like smart mapping or app connectivity, it delivers essential automated cleaning at an affordable price point,